Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you've watched any of my videos, I'm Michelle, and I usually just talk about my journey as a sign-in agent. So guess what? Guess where I am? I am in the bay of the dealership, driving my car. This StabiliTrak light kept coming on, right? So I kind of ignored it a little bit. But I was at the light and I heard all this ding, ding, ding. And then the StabiliTrak light came on. The transmission light came on. It automatically applied the brakes to, like all these other lights started coming on. So as I'm trying to steer my car, it's like the power steering is kind of like went out. Thank God I was like 2 miles from the dealership, so I drove straight to the dealership, and here I sit. This dealership is always like jam packed. When I tell you, like, you can't get a loaner car, you can't get service the same day, like you have to make appointments. So it's crazy. So here I sit in the bay waiting for my husband to come get me so that I can get my stuff. I got my printer, my scanner, my paper, like everything I got in the car that I need for my sign-in this evening. So the rest of my day is gonna be like back. So sometimes you gotta prepare for the worst. You just always stay prepared, because you'll never know what's gonna happen. So now it's like, do I drive my husband's car or just get me a rental car, because I know I'm gonna have sign-ins throughout the rest of the day, throughout the rest of the week. So, you know, is it just feasible for me to just go ahead and get a rental car, as opposed to, you know, just using his car. So anyway, the day in the life of a sign-in agent, y'all. I'm not even upset, because, you know, what God has for me is for me. And I don't know, maybe this is the Lord way of saying, hey boo, it's time to get a new car. I take a 2020, well actually I want the new Lyriq, the electric car, when it comes out, and that's coming out next year. So I was trying to wait and hold off for that. But nonetheless, yeah, I am here at the dealership in the bay waiting for my husband to come get me, because I cannot drive my car. And I have 4 sign-ins. I have 3 at a title company and 2. So I have actually 5 sign-ins that I need to get to. So thank God that this is right in the middle of my sign-in. So I have until like 12 to get to my sign-in, and it is 11. So yeah, pray for me. All right, keep your car serviced. Don't ignore the lights. Don't procrastinate.